Spanning the globe to bring you the constant variety of stuff, the thrill of victory, and the agony of defeat. The human drama of messing around with stuff. This is Casa de McBride Chronicles.
Well, everybody, welcome back to the show. We're going to see what Andy has to say in just a minute.
I totally forgot about this vise. It is 2026 now, and I am finally getting to it. Sorry, Dudezillas. I really don't think it'll take too long to put this on my drill press. So, I got this drill press from a widow that lived down the street from Casa de McBride. It is an old Sears Craftsman, probably from the 70s. I will just clean off the dust from it and mount the thing. Pretty exciting, huh?
And now, a word from our sponsors. Victory by Scout Crafter. 50% desire, 50% passion. And don't be stingy with it. Sold at these fine stores. Victory.
I will not bore you. again, just know that I cut some stock, put Loctite on one end, put a nut and a washer on it, and on the other side, just a washer and bolt to tighten. Again, sorry for the delay, Ken Stabler. I mean, Big Vic.
Will Andy ever stop getting random tools that have less than 1% of ever being used? Will he ever not drink a cup of coffee while he's working on something? Will he ever answer the question, what came first, the chicken or the egg? Will he take an afternoon nap? Tune in for another thrilling episode of the Casa de McBride Chronicles to find out more.
Hey kids, thanks for watching and for all that's right with the world. Click thumbs up or thumbs down if you are a bitter person because you still live in your parents' basement. Laugh in.
Ladies and gentlemen, Andy has left the building. Good night.
He will always be the king no matter what.